We will practice phoneme deletion. Practice along with me. Listen carefully as I say a word. Swipe. The word swipe has 4 sounds. S, w, I, p. I'll take away the first sound and make a new word. W, I, p, wipe. I want you to practice along with me as we delete the initial sound. The word is smile. Let's say each of the sounds in smile. S, I, O. Delete the first sound. Now we have I, O, mile. Here's our next one. Practice along with me. The word is slime. Let's say each sound. S, I, Delete the first sound. So now we have I, The word is lime. This is the last one I'll do with you. The word is grape. Let's go ahead and say each sound. G, I. We're going to get rid of the first sound. So delete the G. And now we have I, ripe. Okay, so I will go ahead and say the word for you. Say each sound in the word. Delete the first sound. Say the new word. The word is prize. I will model it for you now. I, eyes, rise. Your next word is pride. I will model it now. I'd, I'd, ride. Here is your next one. Again, your steps are to say each sound, delete the first sound, say the new word. Your word is brace. Now you can check with me. Ace. Ace. Race. Here's your next one. Blast. Ast. Do it one more time. Ast. That had 5 sounds. Delete the first one. So we have ast. Last. Here is our last one. The word is crush. Okay. Sh. Delete the first sound. Sh. Rush. Great practicing. We now are going to review using plural nouns. Remember, when S is added to the end of a noun, it makes the word plural. The word sides means more than one side. So here we see the word side. Adding the S at the end makes it sides. And now it means more than one. We're going to take a look down here at these words, and I want you to add an S to each of them. After you have the S added, go ahead and say what the word is. I added the S. What is that new word? The new word is prizes. Okay, look at this word. We're going to add S now. What's the word now? Rides. I'm going to use this in a sentence for you. I went on a lot of rides at Valley Fair. Okay, look at this word. We're going to add an S to it. So what is the word now? Cakes. And it's more than one. So I'm going to say, I ate a lot of cakes this past week. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at our last word. Go ahead and add an S to it. Now what is it? The word is planes. Let's use it in a sentence. I had to fly on 3 planes to get to Florida. Again, notice, because it was more than one, that's when we use the S. If I would say I rode on 1 plane to Florida, I don't add an S because it's only one. When it's more than one, we add that S. Alrighty, our last task today is we are going to be looking at these words here, and we have to decide which word fits in which sentence. What I'd like to do is I want us to read through each of the words first, and then we'll start with the first sentence and decide which word makes the most sense. Okay, let's read through our sight words. Green, grow, pretty, should, together, water. Now let's read the first sentence. The grass is, let's try a word in it. Let's drag this over. The grass is green. Does that make sense? Oh my gosh, it does. Well, then green is the correct word here. So we're going to leave that there. Let's go to our next sentence. I blank go to school. Now, if one of these words right away doesn't seem like what word it might be, try each word in there. So, I grow go to school. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, that's not it. Let's try another. I pretty go to school. That doesn't make sense. Let's try this word. I should go to school. That one's it. I should go to school. Okay, now let's go to the next sentence. And again, we'll just try each of the words. We made a plan. Grow. Well, if it said plant, that would make sense. But it says plan. That doesn't make sense. Let's try this word. We made a plan pretty. No. We made a plan together. That makes sense. So they worked together and made a plan. Okay, let's take a look at our next sentence. The blank is hot. Go ahead, read that. Tell me if it makes sense. The grow is hot. No. Let's try the next one. The pretty is hot. Well, it makes me think it's this last word, but we still got to try it. We can't just say it's correct. The water is hot. That's it. Okay, let's read the next one. My mom is... No, it's not grow. Let's try this one. My mom is pretty. That's it. Okay, let's read the last one. Hopefully this is the right word for it. My dog will grow big. Does that sound correct? It does. So friends, when you're trying to decide which word fits in each sentence, if you're not sure, try the word in the sentence. And if it doesn't work, try a different word in the sentence. That is a skill strong readers use.